can have some Cowboys junk. CDs. Chicago Cubs All-Star Game Kleenexes. This is our very first booth at the 2024 127 yard sale. Going through a tent city. We've been in town now about 45 minutes. Construction game. Interesting. Is he allowed to be in the booth?
Well, there's nobody here anyway.
There's some people around the side over here.
There's shoppers.
Some Barbies. Stuff. $3 for some coasters. Could be a deal. Anything. I have to see what he's got on that. Some motorcycle parts down here too. Becky Lynch. It's got some tape on it. Coke Classic, $2. I do good with these. Whirly Industries. It looks old.
How much do you want for the baby cow outfit? Andrew, grab that cow outfit.
That? I'm leaving you at home. Just kidding. That's cute. What the Barbies in the corner back there boxed up. What are you thinking on them?
They should have a price on them, I think.
I didn't see, I'll look again. I didn't see them in the, unless it's on the box. I don't know if I looked at that. And then that didn't have a price. I don't know if someone took it off, but I was interested in that. Oh, okay, 20. $30. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. I don't know enough about them. They're a little more than, I don't know if you're looking to do.
I could do a bundle deal on all of them.
What do you think?
Tote underneath is full too.
Okay.
Are you guys walking around? You guys just got here?
We just got, you're our first customer.
Okay. If
Or
you
I'm
guys
your
walk
first
around,
customer. I don't know how that would work.
I'll look at them and see what I can do.
Okay.
And then when you come back to it, I'll let you know.
Okay. That sounds good.
Mark's fast bag is more than bigger than my fast bag, but it still works.
$12.
That's cute. For everything? Oh yeah. Yeah. So we can do this for one weekend. I won't have to go out for another 6 months.
Yep.
Hopefully. Well,
Yeah, just hit me on your way back out.
okay.
If I've got the tent closed,
Yeah.
I'll be inside the trailer right here.
Okay. That may be sooner than later if his rain doesn't want to hold up. But
Go play in the rain.
we can beat the rain by getting to the next booth. That's how that works, right? Really cool signs.
That's too heavy. Don't pick that up. That's way too heavy for you, okay?
You've had enough already, hadn't you? Y'all been out here, did y'all do last weekend and then carry it over? Just set up?
We was out here at 7 o'clock
Yeah.
trying to set tent and up, you know. It just takes some
Yeah.
unpack, unbox.
All it does, yeah.
Thinks he's a lap dog.
Hey, honey, I think we chose the wrong time to get out of the car.
Nah, this is
You
great.
guys are welcome to hang out right here for a minute or two. You don't have to hurry.
Goodness. Everything in here, $5. Huh. It is raining. Hello. Is that Colossier? Can't be that. I don't know what I'm talking about. Looks like helmets, some Barbies. Marilyn and Diana. It's 2014, so it's not very old. Oh, the booth is blowing away.
Are you okay?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm just helping you. Doesn't look fun.
Okay, yeah, no, okay, yay. All right,
There you go.
I'm just going to hold on to this picture.
Yeah, I may need to. It's gonna get windy.
Here you are.
I was gonna run off on you as soon as we got here.
Have you ever
Looking at
seen
my favorite thing. That's really cute. I've never seen anything like that. Like a phone clip.
Yeah.
No, but it's bending in the middle.
Hey, I was wondering on would you do any type of bundle deal on these license plate covers that are in here?
Okay, $5. So how many are you talking about?
There's like 24. Would you do like a couple bucks a piece if I did
How about $3? Take them off.
$3? What about 250?
Okay.
All right, we can just pull them out and count them. I don't know if you have any more under there, but
Let me check. I don't think so. I think that's why I put them off to the side. So you
okay. Would you throw in this for 250 also?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Here, you
Okay.
put this in there.
All right.
No, that's about it.
I'm just gonna grab your tent because this wind is.
I know. That's what everybody
I
says.
heard there was a storm warning this evening, so
Oh, geez.
we just got into town and
Oh, man.
Oh,
Where are you
well.
coming from?
west of Nashville about an hour.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
How many did you get?
25.
25 items.
So do you have a store? Or?
Yep, we have a store.
I know, but his tail's not wagging anymore.
Yeah, he's there.
Yeah.
All right, so 60, 63, 62.50. You'll do 63.
Throw that one in there too.
Okay, yeah, it was kind of
Yeah, throw it in there. What the hell?
okay.
It's so. You have a store?
We're going.
Yeah.
We're in the process of getting.
We're in the process of getting a thrift booth, and then we do eBay and all the different online stores, and then
Yeah, I've talked to him
Yep.
about. You know, he has a store, so we go visit him.
Oh, where you at?
Dixon?
yep, yeah.
It's west.
Well, we do. It's more like we're trying to get we're doing a thrift booth. There's a lot of thrift stores up there too, though. If you
No, I'm done.
yeah, you're done.
I'm
You're done with
done.
that. Trying to work your way out.
Kill me.
No, and that's for you.
Oh, okay.
Yep,
Thank you.
should be 63. So,
Okay, I appreciate it. I'm glad you stopped.
yeah, awesome.
He does YouTube, so it's on the card too. But he videos. We don't do a lot of it, but we're trying to. But very cool. We go around and videotape
Yeah, we
different
could
yard
do
sales.
something in the future. Like, what's your name? I was.
Yeah,
He also has
I didn't look at it.
it's Andrew.
Andrew? Yeah, Andrew. I'm just meeting.
I'm bad at promoting myself, but I'm learning.
No, well,
So-
you know, you got it. You know, like I said,
Yeah,
you
you
read.
take care, and hope things go well for you. Oh, did he? Oh, okay. What did he do? Yeah, he did. No, that's him right across. No, that's the other guy. Okay, well, we can make it back by tomorrow. See if we can get a deal.